Welcome to Stylist Factory. If you're prepping for the Texas Cosmetology practical exam, you're in the right place. Are you ready to take your Texas Cosmetology exam, but stuck on how to actually register for it? Don't worry. I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step process to schedule your test, pay your fees, and get that confirmation email from PSI. If you're watching this, you're already closer to being licensed. Let's make sure paperwork doesn't stand in your way. Before you can take your Texas Cosmetology written or practical exams, you have to register correctly through PSI Services, LLC, the official testing partner for the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation, or TDLR. If your registration info doesn't match your TDLR student record, you could face delays or even get denied testing access. So, in this video, we'll go step by step through everything: creating your PSI account, paying your fee, uploading your documents, and scheduling your test date. First, let's confirm you're eligible. Before you can register with PSI, your TDLR approved school must submit your completed training hours to TDLR. Once that's done, TDLR reviews and sends your eligibility file to PSI. You'll then receive an email from PSI with your candidate ID number and instructions to register online. If you haven't received that email yet, don't worry. You can call PSI at 833-333-4741 or email them with your name, last four of your SSN, and date of birth to confirm your eligibility status. Next, gather everything you'll need before you sit down to register. Your full legal name, exactly as it appears on your TDLR record. Your email address, check spelling. This is where your confirmation will go. Your candidate ID number from the PSI email, a credit or debit card for payment, a copy of your government-issued photo ID, driver's license, passport, or state ID. Having all this ready makes the process smooth and saves time. Now, let's head to www.psiexams.com. Click Create an Account in the upper right corner. Fill out your information exactly as it appears in your TDLR record. No nicknames, no initials. Set a secure password, then confirm your email. Once logged in, choose Texas from the state list and Cosmetology from the license type options. Then you'll see your eligibility and testing options appear on your dashboard. After you select your exam type, PSI will prompt you to pay your fees. As of this year, the fees are written exam around $55, $63, practical exam around $78, $87. You can pay online by credit or debit card. Once payment is confirmed, you'll receive an email receipt instantly. Make sure to keep that confirmation. You'll need it on test day. If you ever reschedule or cancel, that's the reference number they'll ask for. After paying, you can immediately schedule your exam. Click Schedule Exam, then choose whether you're testing for the written or practical portion. You'll see a calendar with available dates and locations. Choose a time that gives you enough prep days. I recommend at least 1 week between booking and testing. Select your preferred test site and confirm your appointment. You'll receive another confirmation email with your exam location, time, and rules. On your test day, arrive at least 30 minutes early. Bring your government-issued photo ID, your PSI confirmation email or printout, any TDLR-approved kit for practical testing if applicable, a confident attitude and clean professional appearance. PSI will check your ID, confirm your registration, and walk you through the testing area. For practical exams, remember, only approved products and labeled containers are allowed. Here are some common mistakes that delay or cancel your exam. Using a nickname instead of your legal name, forgetting your candidate ID number, paying under the wrong license category, booking too late and missing your deadline, not checking your spam folder for PSI emails. Double check every step before submitting your info. Accuracy saves you money and stress. At Stylist Factory, I've seen students lose weeks and hundreds of dollars because of simple registration errors. Don't let that be you. Once your exam is scheduled, you'll receive a final confirmation email from PSI. Print it, save it, or take a screenshot. This is your ticket to testing day. Now it's time to start preparing. Review your sanitation procedures, practice your steps out loud, and make sure your kit meets TDLR standards. You're officially registered. Now it's time to make sure you pass. Join me at Stylist Factory for full mock exams, coaching, and online study courses that follow the exact TDLR testing format. Study smart, practice with purpose, and walk into your exam ready to win. Visit stylistfactory.as.me to get started. Don't waste $300 on retakes. Pass the Texas way the first time.